Hello everybody, in today's episode on Graynificent. On today's episode, we are celebrating 1 year of video making and posting on YouTube on this channel. So 365 days ago, 26th of August was the day we posted my first video. And let's go and look into the statistics how the year went for us. So let's get into it. Now here that we're looking at our channel, let's go into analytics. And as you see, last 365 days. Yep, so as you see here, September 26th was our first video posted when we go back a lifetime, because we posted our first video soon after starting the channel. That was September 26th, so that was a year ago. And we had some views. As you see, our views weren't perfect, and our posting schedule at the beginning was just complete chaos. So I sometimes posted one video once in a while, sometimes I posted 2 videos in a single day. As you see here I posted 3 videos in a single day, and then I started my regular schedule of posting. And recently I lowered the schedule because I don't have as much time as I would like to post videos currently. But as you see, the views were basically none per day until we started posting regularly. That's when the YouTube algorithm caught on that, okay, it's a channel that posts regularly, as they say. Here I didn't know. I thought it's just about the video count and not about how regularly you post. So that's why there was complete chaos here. But as you see, the channel did not grow at all during that time. And once I did start posting regularly, even when I lowered my video count per week, I still kept the regularity. And as you see, it's going up in steps. Recently it went a little bit down, but there's always some ups and downs, right? Here there was some time going down a step, and again some time going down. So now there was a big step. It will go down a bit, and then hopefully another big step. So that was the views. So in the last 365 days, we got 33,922 views. And watch time, we got 1,754 hours of watch time. As you can see, it also grows in steps, just like the views. And subscribers as well, we got, within the last 365 days, we got 328 subscribers. So within the first 4 months, as you can see here, I gained 5 subscribers. That wasn't much motivation, was there? But as you can see, when I started posting regularly, the subscriber count started going up higher, faster and faster. Recently I had over 2 subscribers per day as an average. Currently the average is a little bit lower. When we look at the last 28 days, it's about 50 subscribers. The average fell below 2 subscribers currently, but it always goes sometimes higher, sometimes lower. As long as it's going up, I'm happy. And with the video impressions as well, 365 days, as you see, wasn't getting much video impressions per day. Less than 100 or sometimes a bit more, but nothing much. And as you can see, when I started posting regularly, the video impressions started going up. Currently they're going down, but that's not bad in all the ways, because the impression click-through rate is starting to go up, because YouTube is showing my videos to less people, but people that are more likely to watch. And average view duration, it was always not too long, because I don't post very long videos, right? I try to keep my videos short and on topic. And how viewers find your videos, mainly it's YouTube search. Of course, I try to make searchable content, tutorials and how-tos. That's the videos I like watching, so that's the videos I like making as well. External and all. External, of course, would be Google search, some topics. And how much money did I make? I made $0 within this first year. 0. A nice and round and perfect $0 from this channel. But as you can see, so as you see here, we need 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours to gain access to memberships. That's where fans can support your channel through subscriptions. And of course, to make money from ads on your videos, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Or 10 million views from shorts, which I got 9. So that's not going to happen soon, and I don't concentrate on shorts. So we still got some way to go to get monetized from ads. We will get there one day, sooner or later. So that's my journey in the first year. And that, my friends, is how the year looks in reverse. And I wonder how this year will come out. Hopefully we can pass the 1,000 subscriber mark not too long from now, and the 4,000 hours of watch time, so this channel can get monetized. And of course, it's always a joy to see it grow. And hopefully I can get my hands on much more film cameras that I could make videos about. I'm constantly building my darkroom. Yes, that takes up a lot of time because I don't have much time with all the things I have to do. But there will be more videos related to darkroom developing. I will be doing many film tests, comparing films, comparing ISOs that you could shoot those films at, comparing films one to another, the development dilutions, temperatures, how they affect photos, darkroom printing as well, little Photoshop in the darkroom stuff related. I'm sure there's plenty of videos about that either way on YouTube, but that's something I like doing, so I might as well record it, right? I'm not doing this to make a 500 million subscriber channel. I'm just doing something I love, and maybe one day it will reward me as well. If you enjoyed this channel, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. It tells me that I make helpful and interesting content. And if you're interested in the content that lies ahead, please subscribe as well so you don't miss it. So once again, thank you all for watching. Take care and see you in the next video.